And now news there was shock after the body of a woman was discovered in a garbage truck in Bengaluru. Now that murder victim has been identified, and so has the accused. It seems the accused and the victim were both known to one another, and they were involved in a relationship, and it was an argument between the two that led to the murder of the woman and her body being dumped in this manner in a garbage truck. It was a shocking case, really, where this woman, her body was found in the garbage truck, all tied up. Let's go across to Deepak for more. And Deepak, so switching tracks to this case of crime that emerged there from Bengaluru. What do we know so far? What is the police saying?
Well, yet another brutal crime from Bengaluru that came to the fore yesterday. We had put out those gory details of how this woman was found in a garbage truck. It was the BBMP officials that informed the police that they had found a body, wrapped in a gunny bag, neck and hands and the leg tied together. The police immediately swung into action. CCTVs were reviewed. That's when they identified, this individual who's now in custody. Of course, he's been identified as Samshuddin. The accused here and the victim, they were living together, is what we're learning from the police. There was an argument that broke out yesterday that eventually led to the murder. After the murder, he's carried her body in a bike and then dumped it in the garbage truck. As of now, the police, of course, continue to question him to try and ascertain what exactly the argument was over. But the cops are saying that, this individual, the accused, is a married man. His family stays in Assam. The woman here was staying with him in Bengaluru. She was working, as a contract basis with the urban company and other, agencies as housekeeping jobs. The police are saying after thorough questioning, they will be able to divulge more details as to what exactly led to the crime.
All right. So, Deepak, as you're telling us, this man was someone who was married. He had a family back in Assam, and they were both living together?
Yes, that's what we are learning from the police. That they were here in Bengaluru. They were in Hulimau area. They had rented out a house. They were living together. They used to have frequent arguments, is what the police have also learned from after speaking to some of the neighbors. But again, these are all parts of aspects of investigation, and only a thorough, detailed inquiry could divulge exactly what led to the crime. Because having arguments or quarrels in a relationship is one thing, but a person going ahead and murdering someone because of a quarrel is something that we don't hear very often, do we? And that's where the police are trying to question him further as to what was the exact reason and what was the argument that actually pushed him to take this extreme step, and more importantly, after the crime, to try and cover it up, to tie her up in the manner that he did, pack her in a gunny bag, and then take the body to the garbage truck and throw it there and try to evade arrest is another story altogether. The police right now managing to arrest this man very quickly. Right now, the onus, of course, on the police to build a watertight case so that the most stringent punishment will be meted out to this individual, so that it will serve as a deterrent to anybody who thinks of such a heinous act.
That's right, Deepak. So that case essentially cracked by the police of the woman's body that was discovered in a garbage truck, and the accused has been arrested. Thanks so much, Deepak, for joining us with those details.